Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashley Massey. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of late right now, and today is also the day that TikTok is supposed to be leaving us. I've been spending all day doom scrolling for the possible last time, and it's just been an interesting day, or should I say an interesting beginning of the year, with everything that's been going on in LA and people losing their homes to America's favorite app being taken away from us, and with everything else that's wrong in America. I just feel like TikTok should have been the least of their worries. And it's just really sad to see an app go that brought people so much joy. Everything is just so sad and kind of chaotic right now. If you don't know, this literally has nothing to do with this video. I'm rambling. 10 more seconds. I know TikTok is only going dark in America and not everywhere else, but if it wasn't for TikTok, my boyfriend and I would have never met. So if we have kids in the United States and they ask us how we met, and I say TikTok, and they go, "What's that?" I actually don't know what to say after that. But yeah, okay, 10 seconds over. Today, we are doing a fluffy twist out. So this is different from your regular and defined twist out. I actually did a collaboration with Fenty hair for the holidays. I will insert the video somewhere on the screen, but the hairstyle that I did was really cute, and I did use their home curl cream, and from the video I got this fluffy twist out look from the back, and it wasn't intentional. That was actually by accident, but I loved how it came out, and I thought, why not do it to my whole hair and see how it looks, see how it comes out. But I do remember everything that I did to get that look, so I'm excited to share it with you here in this video. First things first, of course, I am going to wash my hair, and I'll be back. This perfect wash and go. I think it's been a week now that I've had this wash and go. Absolutely loved it, but it's just time to say bye. If you enjoy watching this video at any point, please leave it with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already to see more of my content. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. I finished washing my hair. It's just really late and I'm getting so tired, but we're gonna do this thing. We're about to do this thing. So for the twist I did in that video, I really did only use the home curl, and I use the jelly type for, I think, my edges, but in this case, this is the only product we'll be using. I'm actually almost out, but they did send me more. Shout out to the Fenty team. Thank you. Also, if you haven't seen my first initial reaction towards Fenty hair once it came out, that is up on my channel, and I accidentally used the jelly type and the home curl at the same time on top of each other, and it caused massive flaking. I highly don't recommend, but you're supposed to use the products separately. So I learned from my lesson, and also I filmed once I got that box, okay? Instructions were still unclear. The brand had just launched, and I got really excited and did what I did, posted what I posted. Don't regret it though, because look, I got to work with them. But this should be a quick hairstyle to do. It could save you so much time if this comes out cute. I really hope it does, because but if you're a person that likes voluminous curls or big hair, then this style is definitely for you, because I like to say the bigger the hair, the better. Or sometimes I just really love volume over definition, if that makes sense. But this is what my hair is looking like, freshly washed and damped. The key to this hairstyle is not to oversaturate your hair with water and to use very little product. For now, we're going to be working in really big sections, applying the product on the hair, twisting it, and then I'll show you what's next after that. I don't know how I did it, but I cut my finger before doing my hair. I have this bad opening on my thumb. Oh. This is terrible. The fact that I have to style with my fingers right now burns. finished twisting my hair. Believe it or not, that took me a little bit over 20 minutes. I thought I was gonna spend less time doing these big twists, but in total I have 8 twists, 4 on this side, 4 on the other side. I'm going to let it air dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer and dry my hair until it's about, I'd say 75 to 80% dry. That way the twists won't be 100% set and it will still give it that fluffy look. I promise you, you'll see what I'm talking about in just a few seconds, but I'm so excited to see how this is going to come out. Now that my hair is about 80% dry, it's not damp and it's not too wet either, I'm going to use my favorite oil by Carol's Daughter. It's from their Goddess Strength collection. It's their 7 oil blend hair and scalp oil. I use this oil almost all the time now, just for my scalp and when I'm taking out my twists, but I'm just going to pour a little bit into my hands and smooth it over my twists while I unravel them one by one. And I'm also going to separate it where it naturally splits apart. Again, we are going for big and we are going for fluffy. I finished taking out the twists. My hair is super fluffy. As you can see, don't get me wrong, my roots and my hair is very much still wet, but not too much. I think that's why it looks like this. This hairstyle is nothing new under the sun. I'm not trying to start anything and said that I came up with it. I just did it in that video that I did for Fenty hair. And I was like, oh, let me try to do it throughout my whole head. So I'm actually very happy with the way it came out. Let me show you the back and what that looks like. I don't know if I blended it properly. You let me know. But I love it. I actually love it. Thankfully, I know how to sleep with my hair, so I can make this last for church tomorrow. But I love how it came out. There's like a little springlet right here. I don't know. You let me know if this is a go or if you would pass on this hairstyle. There's definition there, but it's very subtle. I just love how airy my hair feels. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm feeling it. Honestly, you let me know if this was a hit or miss. But either way, I like it. I'm glad that I gave it a try. Would I wear my hair like this out in public? For sure. I think so. Probably not all the time, but for now, we're just experimenting and trying new things, and I don't feel bad about it. So this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I know it's probably going to be a quick one, so if you liked it, please leave it with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. I don't want to make a promise, but I may or may not be uploading more than once a week. I'm finding myself with more time on my hands than usual, and I want to put all of that focus and energy onto YouTube. I'm not even kidding. I stopped my doom scrolling on TikTok, even though we're about to lose it. I got the notification while my hair was air drying. But during that time, I was like, I could be filming a video right now. Even though I don't know what to do, I could just come up with something, you know? So hopefully you'll see my face more than once a week, or if you want to binge watch my old videos, please feel free. But with that being said, I will definitely see you in my next video. I hope you take care of yourself, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.